recreational site is 1.5 kilometres down this road. This is Mirror Creek Recreational Campsite. We're in March 21st, 2023. The campsite's closed at the moment, so we're just going to have a little walk round. And you can see it's right on the lake there. We've got our doggy with us, Rover. Don't we, Rover? You going to be a happy boy today? Rover, come here then. No, he's off. He knows a good thing when he sees it. Yeah, let's have a look at the boat ramp. Nice big. Yeah, another pit toilets. Yeah. Nice parking there for your boat, is it? Day use parking only. And there's your boat ramp. So you can bring your boat down here, and there's a dock as well. What's it say? Underwater hazards 2 meters below water surface, no diving. So it's not a terribly deep lake, maybe. Oops. Our doggies are back. Come boys, that way. Oh, there's a platform out there you can swim out to. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful big lake. I think I might like to bring my boat down here. If the campsite's full, I can put my boat in the water and sleep in the boat. Look at this, there's a ladder as well. Oh, it's nice and solid, or stable I should say. Oh, solid and stable. I wonder how deep it is. Oh, I can see the bottom. Yeah, it's maybe 8 or 9 feet deep here, I reckon. And there we go, there's a bit of the shoreline. We'll check out the price later. Speaking to a guy, and it's in the $25 range. That's Canadian. And they say kids can swim out of that platform there in the summer. We've got some snow-capped mountains in the distance there. Nice. Those Canadian geese have moved on. A bit more of a walk round. Another picnic tables, some nice picnic tables over there. So you can come up here just for a day if you like and have a swim. It's most probably good fishing here. You've got a boat, a little tinny or something. Have yourself a picnic, a little fire, cook some burgers and hot dogs. Make yourself a coffee or a cup of tea. Let's go and read the notice board. You see how quiet it is. Okay, sites 13 to 46 that way. So there's 46 sites possibly here. There we go, there's a good map of the campsite, Mirror Creek Recreational Site. There we go. 46 sites there, yep. Boat trailer parking. Looks like there's a nice beach up there. A footpath to a beach. Quite a few pit toilets scattered around. Okay, so you can't just come and leave your tent or your camper here and then bugger off and come back 2 or 3 days later. That's not allowed. People do it though. So what they're saying, they'll take your stuff away if you're not here living in it or staying in it. You can't just steal someone else's opportunity to come and camp, because you don't want to take your trailer away. You gotta clean up your dog poop. Good. No fees. Most probably going to be a host here. Let's see what it says. Something on the back here. That's most probably a book exchange. There's another campsite. They all come with fire rings. You're most probably not allowed to take firewood out of the forest around here, but a lot of people will do. Like I say, you have a nice fire in there and you can put your pot on the grill, and most people bring those sticks, put a sausage on or some marshmallows. We'll have a walk round. There's 46 sites, Tina. 46? Looks like at the end here there's a footpath to the beach. I'm sure there's a host here in the summer. Can you imagine they'll be opening about Easter most probably in a few weeks. Yeah. Yeah. No, there's no date or price.
Are you taking video?
Yeah.
Oh.
Rover's having a good run round. Unfortunately, we don't have a camper anymore. But might look out for a trailer one day and get back into it when the kids. Not going to get another motorhome though, eh? Yeah. A little bit dark. They could cut some of those trees down, I guess, or a bit of yeah, nice and shady, nice and cool when it's really hot. Look at the size of the spots they give you. Great big area to set yourself up nice and comfortable, your motorhome. Yeah. Yeah. Nice sea views there, or lake views. Look at those size of them trees. It's not the place to be in a windstorm, I guess. These trees are known to come down occasionally. But plenty of room if you've got like a, even, I think you'd get a 36, even a 40-foot motorhome or trailer in there. That's the thing with these sites, you get everything from a little pup tent to a 40-foot motorhome. There might be a place for your garbage, but I think a lot of the time you come to these basic sites, you're expected to pack out what you pack out what you pack in. So, you know, plan on taking your garbage out with you, and the same with your black water tank. There's nowhere here to dump it, so you're gonna have to take your black water back with you as well. That'll be back to Campbell River, the campground. What's the name of that campground with the dump station? Elk Falls. Yeah, there's an Elk Falls. There's a dump station there. I think it's about $5. You want?
Show your face.
Yeah.
Hello. Welcome to Meadow Creek.
Yeah, let's turn it round. Oh, look at that. I've got my drone with me. Yeah. or Ethan's old drone, so we'll set that up hopefully and see how that goes. There's a pallet there, that'd be nice for firewood. Yeah, it's not a bad idea actually. If when you come past town, grab a couple of pallets. There's a few places in Campbell River where the companies leave their pallets out to be taken away for barbecues and firewood. We'll grab a couple during the summer and use them for our barbecue. Stay away from the painted ones, you just get the ones that haven't been treated. You don't want to be cooking food on treated timber. It's not very nice. Enjoying the walk, Teeny?
Yep.
Yeah, a lovely fresh day.
Look like lovely, nice sunshine.
Yeah, we've had.
This campsite is gonna be open soon, yeah?
Ah, yeah, I should imagine so.
April time.
Yeah, well, we can check on the website.
Yeah. How's your coffee still?
Nice. I've just got a latte from McDonald's, 4,000 points for free. It's like a $4 coffee for free. Lovely. And I think there's a footpath around here that goes down to the beach.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's much of a beach. Let's have a little look around. Let's have a look.
Always taking off.
Yeah. Doesn't look like there's much of a beach. Maybe it's because the lake could be quite high. Beach access, there it says. Beach access. There should be a little path there then. There we go. Let's check out the beach access. Gonna go down the beach. Come on, Bonio. Come on. Yeah, still got to be careful of bears and especially with them cougars as well around here. Go on, off you go. Bears should be coming out of the hibernation soon, and normally they just leave you alone. They hear you coming, they tend to clear off. Gosh, it's a funny old trail. I guess people ain't going to the beach or some windfall. Yeah, let's have a go round. Oops. Yeah, it's this way, Tina. Oops. Yeah. Rover, this way. Hey? Oh, Rover's having a good time. Exploring. That's a nice little spot. Do some swimming in the summer. As you can see, the lake level seems to be quite high. Lots of footprints here. I don't know if there's any animal ones. Could just be dog. Oops. Yeah.
Don't see much of the beach here.
No, I think because the lake level most probably quite high. Yes, maybe there's water, a little stream coming down here. Oh, Rover's a happy boy. Yeah.
No.
He's all excited. Hope he knows he ain't going to get a walk at 7 o'clock tonight. More snowy cap mountains over there. Hope it's not washing this out because it's beautiful. It's nice to get out and have a bit of fresh air after all the rain and the gloomy skies we've had the last few months. There's a bit of sunshine over there on that corner. Yeah, a little bit of an adventure. All those geese are gone.
Yeah. There's a geese over.
Yeah, I guess we could walk back along the shoreline if we wanted. Alright, so if you're camping here, you just go down to the lake, get a bucket of water for your washing your dishes and stuff. And if you use the pit toilets, you don't have to worry about filling your black water tanks up too much. Oh, this campsite here has its own private little access to the beach. Actually, I think I'll take a little walk back up. How lovely is this, eh? Can't get up in the morning, have a little stroll down to the beach, jump in the lake and have your morning wash. Wake up bath time. Come back, light the fire, put your coffee pot on, have your breakfast. There's your nice picnic table. And then you spend the day just relaxing, walking around the woods, going for bike rides, kayaking, canoeing, whole lake there to go out on. Making friends with your neighbours. Someone's left a painted rock. That's quite common around here. People tend to paint rocks and leave them lying around.
Yeah.
Nice little messages on or pretty pictures. Yeah, someone's had a chainsaw out there. And you've got some firewood that you can come and help yourself to. Maybe the host or some nice campers left it there for you to help yourself to. One thing you'll find with Canadians, they're not normally short of a kayak or canoe or a chainsaw. Well, there's a lot of nice firewood at this spot. There's most probably a piece of a tree that fell down in a windstorm and looks like it's hit that coffee. It looks like it's hit that table. Maybe that's what happened. It looked like maybe that tree fell over. Oh look, there's the tree that fell over. Yeah, and yeah, that's what happened here, I guess. This tree fell over and broke the the picnic table, and they just come along, bucked it up into firewood, and we're all good to go now. Well, they might take it away. They must really leave it for the campers, but that's mostly why they close it in the winter.
Yeah,
There's a bit safety, because these trees do tend to fall down now and again. As you can see, there's one that's crossing the road here. Yeah, the old Rover's a happy boy today. He's going to sleep well tonight. It's not that cold out. I've got me, we've got our jackets on. Are you feeling cold, Tini?
No.
I think it's about 14 degrees, 12, maybe 10 to 14 degrees today, which isn't too bad, especially when the sun's out.
What do you think of these nice tallest trees? You show them up.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah. Let's have a look.
There you go.
Yeah, right up there. Look at how tall these trees are.
Those are tall. Gosh.
You're getting the picture, sweetie. They can see how. Yeah, you can see how small Tina is and how tall these trees are. Oh wow, look at that. And I've seen much bigger ones as well in California. These are like twigs compared to the Avenue of Giants. But you're out in nature, fresh air, and people camping around you tend to be really friendly as well. What I found here, like-minded people want to get out. Oh, there's a
over there.
yeah. I guess this is kind of user-friendly if you've got a wheelchair. It's gravel. There's a wheelchair-friendly pit toilet. Like I say, there's no running water there. It's just a toilet seat over a hole in the ground, and then they have a honeysucker come round and empty them. Oh, Rover's there. Has he seen that bird? Is he going to chase it or not? Yeah, he's not even paying attention, is he?
That's a big campsite, this one.
Yeah, it is. It's very big. And like I say, there's 46 spots. And they all come with a picnic table. Yeah. Yeah. And they leave this like for nature.
Yeah,
So wildlife can get in there, like frogs and
and you're not allowed to
birds.
burn, even if you come camping, you're not allowed to burn these wood.
No, you're not allowed to help
You have
yourself.
to bring your own firewood.
Yeah.
Those they stay near for nature.
Yeah, they've got to just protect them for the wildlife. Like I say, any tree that falls over, they'll cut that out of the way. And that's why those logs are there. You can maybe help yourself. Or their host might have them at their campsite and then you can buy them.
They're gonna take them away.
Yeah, they most probably.
It's nice ground.
It looks like a nice bit of firewood, yeah, or nice. And there's one of those pit toilets with the door open. Very basic, so don't come here expecting flush toilets and wash basins and hot showers. You won't be getting that unless you bring it with you. Again, look at the size of these campsites. You get a huge, yeah, yeah, lots of deadfall there. Can be a bit of a hassle, a bit of a fire risk in the summer, but that's the way it goes here. And this is a one-way system. It's a clockwise route. You come in and you go around the campsite in a clockwise direction. That way you don't end up coming face to face with a huge camper and travel trailer, and yourself with a huge camper and travel trailer and on a narrow road and end up stuck. That's the exit. No, we parked down this way. There's the information board. And that's the exit, so you'll leave the campsite at this direction. There's your gate over there. Let's see if I can get the drone up. Oh, those geese are down by the boat ramp, Tina. Oh, they'll turn around and chase him. Don't worry about that. They'll have him. I don't think he's too bothered. Right, we've done a full circle now of the campsite. Back to the boat ramp. Let's see if I can get the drone set up now. Hey, Rover. You had a good time? You had a good time, have you? Hey, enjoyed yourself? Yes. Another dog. Oh, no, I think that's the same one. Is it? Oh no, it's different, I think, yeah. Yeah. Right.
Nice fire.
Yeah.
Let's get rid of some old paperwork.
Oh, that's a good idea. Just before the tax man comes. Oops. Well, there we go. There's Mirror Creek campsite. We just had a walk around, and there's a few people turned up actually. Yeah, it's a nice location, even though it's closed, to come and have a little bit of a fire, walk the dog, see the lake, get some fresh air. Like I say, literally 15 minutes from Campbell River. And I'll show you a bit of the logging road. I'm just looking at the logging road here. That's the exit, I guess. That comes out the other side of the campsite. And there we go. So, not the place to bring a low sports car. Otherwise, not a bad condition. Not a bad road at all. You had a good time, Rover, eh? Nice walkies. You know, have a good rest.
He's tired.
Yeah, he's had a good rest, a good run around.
After all that long walk, we just need a snack.
Yep. Side. There's a 1500 Dodge Ram. You don't see many of these in England or Europe even. 5.7 V8 Hemi. That's where that can drive her on 4 cylinders or 8. Makes it very economical for a big truck. And we have another one over there. That's the 350. It's even bigger. People like their pickup trucks in Canada. I think it's huge. It's heavy duty, that one. It's got a diesel Cummins in it. Wow, look how big it is. You are? Yeah. Nice big truck for the logging roads. And there's our Pacifica with Chrysler.
Back to Campbell River. So we're at your Middle Creek.
There's this road goes on for like 1.5 kilometers. On the road now going back to Campbell River. This is the Gold River Road. I'm not too sure the number of it.
There's a lake, I'm not sure it's called.
Yeah, nice little lake on the right. Oh, there's some
Those mountain views.
paddle thing.
It's lovely. course.
Gold River's on the other side of the island.